Today I'm going to show you how to remove the rear springs on this 2006 Honda Civic Si. First thing you're going to do is remove the rear wheels. Make sure the vehicle is on jack stands. Place the jack stand below the trailing arm, just like that, and we will compress the suspension slightly. To remove the damper, use a 14mm socket and remove the bolt. You'll need to remove the bolt holding the brake line here, and also the bolt that is holding the wheel speed sensor. Pinching the tabs on the back, you'll take out the plastic clip that's holding on the this speed sensor line. So press the tab in the back and then you're gonna pull it out. To remove the bottom end link, you're gonna use the 14mm box end wrench and a 5mm hex wrench and just break it loose. You'll need a 14mm to remove this bolt holding the upper arm to the knuckle. Now you can lower the suspension and be careful that the brake here does not fall off this way. So you want to pull it back. And you should be able to lower the hole and the spring should come off. Now that you got the new spring in, it's just a reverse order. So what we'll do here is we will connect the upper arm to the knuckle, which is this piece right here. So you will use your jack to assist you with that. Put the end links back on. Go ahead. We'll just clip the wheel speed sensor on here. Then we will bolt the brake line here and the wheel sensor here. Tighten the bolts, these two. Now that you tighten those bolts, you are done. If this video helped, give me a like or a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.